Phone, do not engage.
She's a supervisor, so she's used to dealing with weirdos, usually.
Yeah, well, she's dealt with you all these years.
Okay, let's go back to tense silence. It's time. You know where it gets me?
I'll take you out.
They say dark on me, but sure. Shoot me in the head.
Same here.